Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing various industries, and the oil and gas sector is no exception. The integration of artificial intelligence-powered technologies is transforming exploration, extraction, refining, and distribution, making operations more efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally sustainable. With rising global energy demands and the need for increased operational efficiency, artificial intelligence is poised to play a crucial role in shaping the future of the oil and gas industry. In this article, we will explore how artificial intelligence is influencing different aspects of the oil and gas sector, the benefits it offers, challenges to its adoption, and the future outlook. Artificial intelligence in exploration and drilling. Seismic data interpretation. One of the biggest challenges in oil and gas exploration is interpreting seismic data to locate hydrocarbon deposits. Artificial intelligence-powered algorithms, especially deep learning models, can analyze vast amounts of geophysical data with greater accuracy than traditional methods. This enables geologists to identify potential drilling locations more quickly and with higher precision. Predictive analytics for drilling. Artificial intelligence-driven predictive analytics can assess drilling conditions and anticipate potential problems, such as equipment, artificial intelligence lure, or geological hazards. Machine learning models use historical and real-time data to optimize drilling operations, reducing downtime and preventing costly artificial intelligence lures. Reservoir characterization. Artificial intelligence helps in creating highly artificial intelligence-led reservoir models by analyzing subsurface data, well logs, and production history. Advanced algorithms can predict reservoir performance, allowing companies to maximize recovery rates while minimizing environmental impact. Artificial intelligence in production and operations. Automated monitoring and predictive artificial intelligence maintenance. Artificial intelligence-powered sensors, IoT devices, are revolutionizing equipment monitoring in the oil and gas industry. Predictive artificial intelligence maintenance. Systems analyze data from sensors to detect early signs of equipment artificial intelligence lure, enabling companies to schedule artificial intelligence tenancy before critical breakdowns occur. This approach reduces unplanned downtime, extends equipment lifespan, and improves safety. Optimizing production efficiency. Artificial intelligence-driven models continuously analyze production data to optimize well performance. These models adjust parameters such as pressure, flow rates, and chemical injections in real time to enhance production efficiency. Artificial intelligence-powered automation helps oil and gas companies maximize output while reducing costs. Digital twin technology. Digital twins are virtual models of physical assets that use artificial intelligence and real-time data to simulate operations. Oil and gas companies leverage digital twins to monitor pipelines, refineries, and offshore platforms. These virtual models enable operators to predict operational inefficiencies and make data-driven decisions. Artificial intelligence and environmental sustainability in the oil and gas industry. Reducing carbon footprint. Artificial intelligence plays a critical role in minimizing the environmental impact of oil and gas operations. Companies are using artificial intelligence-powered solutions to detecting and preventing methane leaks in pipelines, optimize flaring and venting processes to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, improve energy efficiency in refining and transportation, enhancing safety and risk management. Artificial intelligence-driven safety systems analyze real-time data from sensors and cameras to detect potential hazards, such as gas leaks, equipment malfunctions, and worker safety violations. Automated alerts and predictive analytics enable companies to take proactive measures to mitigate risks. Waste management and water conservation. Artificial intelligence helps oil and gas companies manage waste by identifying areas where material reuse or recycling is possible. Additionally, artificial intelligence-powered water treatment systems optimize the use of water in drilling and production processes, reducing overall water consumption. Challenges of artificial intelligence adoption in the oil and gas industry. High implementation costs. The integration of artificial intelligence requires significant investment in infrastructure, software, and skilled personnel. Smaller companies may face challenges in allocating resources for artificial intelligence implementation. Data security and cyber threats. As the industry becomes more reliant on artificial intelligence-driven digital systems, the risk of cyberattacks increases. Protecting sensitive data and critical infrastructure from cyber threats is a major challenge for oil and gas companies. Workforce transformation and skill gaps. Artificial intelligence adoption may lead to job displacement for certain artificial intelligence roles, while creating demand for artificial intelligence and data science professionals. The industry must invest in workforce artificial intelligence and programs to equip employees with the necessary digital skills. Integration with legacy systems. Many oil and gas companies operate on legacy infrastructure that is not designed to support artificial intelligence technologies. Transitioning from traditional systems to artificial intelligence-powered solutions requires careful planning and investment. The future of AI in the oil and gas industry. The future of AI in the oil and gas sector looks promising, with continued advancements expected in the following areas. Fully autonomous operations. AI-powered autonomous drilling rigs and robotic systems could eliminate the need for human intervention in hazardous environments. These systems will enhance operational safety and efficiency. AI-driven carbon capture and storage. Innovations in AI will improve carbon capture and storage (CCS) technologies, enabling the industry to reduce its environmental footprint. AI models will optimize CCS processes, making them more cost-effective and efficient. Blockchain and AI for transparent transactions. Combining AI with blockchain technology will enhance transparency in oil and gas transactions, reducing fraud and improving supply chain traceability. AI in alternative energy transition. As the industry shifts toward renewable energy sources, AI will play a vital role in optimizing hybrid energy systems, integrating oil and gas with solar, wind, and hydrogen energy production. Artificial intelligence is poised to transform the oil and gas industry by improving efficiency, reducing costs, and enhancing artificial intelligence ability. From exploration and drilling to refining and distribution, artificial intelligence-driven solutions are enabling companies to optimize operations and mitigate environmental risks. However, challenges such as cybersecurity threats, high implementation costs, and workforce adaptation must be addressed for artificial intelligence adoption to reach its full potential.